this video, we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to use our Shop Timber tool, which will allow you to get instant prices and order your timber online. Using this drop-down menu, you can choose which timber you'd like to order. In this case, we're going to select American Ash. Then you can select the machining option. You can choose between planed or round, sawn boards, or a shaped profile. If you select planed or round, you will receive timber with a smooth finish, planed on all its 4 faces. If you select sawn boards, you will receive timber with a rough finish. We're going to select planed or round. Now it's time to enter the sizes of the timber. You will need to use millimetres for thickness, millimetres for width, and metres for length. Then select how many boards you'd like to order. If you prefer imperial, there is a converter here. We're going to put in 20 millimetres, 120 millimetres, and 3 metres in the length, and we'll put 5 in the quantity. Your boards will be cut exactly to the length entered, so please make sure you add a bit of margin here if you wish to cut it yourself. A tip here is to request closer to the lengths you want to end up with, as shorter lengths will improve availability and maybe timescales. You can always add, remove or duplicate lines to expand your shopping list here. If you live nearby and would like to collect your timber, you can leave this ticked. If, however, you need it delivered anywhere in the UK, you can tick this box and then enter your postcode where it calculates a delivery cost for you. Some products are free delivery. If you are in no hurry for your timber, you can leave the box ticked for let timber source decide. This means it will be on our standard lead times, which is around 5 working days for planed and sawn, and 7 to 10 working days on profiles. If, however, a specific date is required, you can pick the delivery date here. If you pick a delivery date before our standard lead times, it will allow this, but you may be asked for a £50 express fee to jump the queue. To avoid this charge and still pick a future day that suits you, just simply click another later date and the fee will be removed. If you are unsure and have tight project timescales, please contact us for the latest lead times on our products and what we can do for you. If you are not ready to order the timber just yet, you can save the quote for later. If you click on it, you'll be able to give your name, email address, and receive the quote via email. At this point, there is no obligation, and you can use the Shop Timber tool purely for pricing. You don't need to sign up to our mailing list or commit to anything. When you are ready to place the order, click on Add to Basket. It will take you to another page where you'll be able to review your order, add your personal details, and securely make the payment.